youth and kids stream are continuing, so you can join us with that each week if you're interested. Get in touch with our youth team if you'd like to be a part of what's going on with the youth and find out more information about that. And our kids stream services are happening Fridays at 6:30 and Sundays at 10 a.m, so feel free to join, guys.
Broken lives and hopeless hearts, but faith sees a miracle.
So as Dec Willer mentioned already, we will be doing some more services on an evening starting from the 12th of July, and this will be at 6 p.m. and 7:15 p.m. in the evening. Now, to follow the guidelines of the government during this easing of lockdown, they're going to be shorter services with a smaller capacity of people of 30. So if you would like to join, you have to book in online via social media, our website or church suite. So let us know if you want to come, and we'll be following strict guidelines and protocols during these services. And for those of you that may be shielding or a little bit vulnerable, we would advise that you do not come to these services, but you can still join in on our 11 a.m. services that happen every Sunday morning. There are 5 Wednesdays in July, so at the end of this month, on the 5th Wednesday, we're going to have our next Leadership Development Night. So you can join up and sign up online for this, and you can get the Zoom details where we'll be joined by special guest Danny Murphy from Life Church in Bedworth. Our Connect groups are going to be continuing, but they're going to be reverting back to how they usually are, which is twice a month. And instead, we're going to be relaunching our Bible study and prayer gatherings, but that's going to be all online at 7:30 on the 2nd and 4th Wednesday of each month. So keep your eyes peeled for the details about the Zoom calls.
We're holding the keys of the kingdom. We open the doorway.
And don't forget, guys, tonight you can join us for our 6 p.m. prayer meeting where we'll connect together online to pray for our world and one another. So if you need the Zoom details for that call, then just let us know via a message or have a look on our website. So that's all for XL News. If you'd like any more information, then just drop us a message on social media or check out our website. Have a great week, guys.